My address is...
I think I already know where you live now. So, since we're going to the same place, you want to walk home together?
Yeah, sure.
Ha! I knew it. You're the one that just moved in.
I guess you caught me.
Why did you lie to me?
In case you were a creepy person.
Me, creepy? Pff, never. So, what do you need help with?
This biology question.
Okay. I'll show you how to do it. So, where are your parents?
They're on holiday.
So, what you need to do for this question is... Are you even listening to me? I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Can I see some of your assignments from today?
Sure.
You got 100 out of 100 on all these questions. Why am I even helping you? You don't need help.
I can explain. I just didn't want to be alone anymore.
What?